Monday to you all. It's a new day. 10:45 in the morning. I slept until like 9:30. Yay me, because I lately haven't been able to sleep in because I've been at camp. But today I could, and today one task I have to do is to mow the lawn because I didn't do it. Well, so one task that they asked me to do was to mow the lawn. So I'm going to do that because I usually do it at my house anyway. So it's like a boom, boom, boom. I don't really mind it type of thing. So it'll be okay for me. I just probably mess up my hair completely, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some shoes and then go get to work.
2 hours later.
We have made it successfully to
that would kill to walk barefoot on this.
You would feel it a bit, not bad. But we made it to the beach, which is awesome.
Oh yeah, look how big it is.
Well, yeah, it's a beach. This is the Cape.
It's a Cape.
What would you expect?
A tiny beach.
What else could you expect?
Like Skate It.
Skate is huge.
Yeah, but there's like you have to go like a mile out to get to the actual water.
Well, because we would go at low tide. Time to take off my sandals.
Where?
I doubt that. I guarantee you it's gonna be cold like it always is every year. I'm a Floridian! Yes, it is! Alright, we are back home now. We just made it in. Now I'm gonna take time, shower, because I like the beach, but it's strange because I only like it. I don't know. I'm a strange person, as you guys may know. It's just weird but it's weird because I'm like, yeah, I like to do this. But then it's also weird because then I could be different and I could be like, oh yeah, I only like this. Alright, so now I'm about to take a shower, so you guys can't be recording while I'm doing that because that's child youth services. I don't know what it is, but no.